The week this week, it is the terminal block BFF for Qt Py and Xiao boards. I bet you can guess I love this one. I'm a big fan of terminal blocks as a semi-permanent way of hooking up things in your circuit without going all the way to soldering on a perma-proto board and soldering wires down. It gives you a ton of flexibility. However, it does not just pull out like breadboards do. There we go. So battery, potentiometer, PWM LED, RGB LED, OLED display, all, no need for USB in this case, all plugged into our terminal block BFF. If I want to start charging this, you'll see right now I've got a green light here, meaning I'm getting power from my LiPo battery. If I plug this in, we should see a little yellow light show up on the BFF, and that indicates we're charging. The terminal block BFF for Qt Py and Xiao.